Hello, my name's Lissy from Stafford Land Rover, and today's 360 exterior and interior tour is on this Range Rover 3.0 D350 Autobiography. Now, this vehicle is a diesel with an automatic transmission. It is ULEZ compliant and is finished in Belgravia green. To start off with, then, you have your digital LED headlights, which are brilliant for illuminating the road ahead of you, especially in those dark conditions. Along with 23-inch multi-spoke gloss dark grey alloy wheels, really complementing the Belgravia green exterior colour. This vehicle also has deployable side steps, making gaining entry or leaving the vehicle even easier than before. Moving to the rear of the vehicle, you can find your electric boot lid, and once open you can see that you've got a substantial amount of room. You could easily fit in a large size suitcase or perhaps even a pushchair. Taking a look at the rear seats now, you can find the ebony leather upholstery, really helping to provide a feel of luxury and sophistication. Moving through the front, you have your multifunctional steering wheel infotainment system, and as we pan around again, you find that lovely upholstery providing you and your passengers with the utmost comfort. This vehicle also features a sliding panoramic sunroof, which is brilliant for allowing all the natural light possible into the cabin, giving the car a nice light feel. On your multifunctional steering wheel, which is also heated, you have your hands-free options, volume controls, and of course your cruise control. Taking a look at the dash, you can see this vehicle has done 24,722 miles, however this is subject to change due to test drives. You also have a head-up display, which is a brilliant safety feature as it allows you to see the speed you are travelling at without taking your eyes off the road. On your infotainment system, you have everything you may need for any journey. Included with this is your navigation system, which allows you to plan any journey you may take in this vehicle, ensuring you always take the quickest yet safest route possible to those new destinations. You also have your DAB radio, which is all sorts of genres of music suited to everyone, so you can always find something to listen to no matter what. Along with Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, allowing you to use Apple or Google Maps, or perhaps just listen to your own music. You also have your 4x4 information, terrain response drive modes, ride height and weight sensing. All these individual features make the vehicle suited for most off-road terrain and any off-road adventures you may plan or find yourself on. Additionally, helping is the off-road feature on the 360 view camera. The 3D surround camera allows you to see almost every angle of the vehicle, making manoeuvring and reversing so much easier. And perhaps if you need more help, you also have the park assist as well as leave, whether this is to help you park in a difficult space or perhaps leave one. The front seats in this vehicle are in fact massage seats, which is a luxury to have, especially on those longer journeys, ensuring that you always stay comfortable no matter what. It also has multiple different options, varied from intensity, direction and the massage type. As well as this, the front seats are both heated and ventilated, ideal for those hot summer days as well as those colder winter ones. And you also have a dual zone climate control where you can individually adjust the temperature suited to either you or your passenger. This has been a presentation on the Range Rover 3.0 D350 Autobiography that's now available to purchase from Stafford Land Rover. For more information, please contact our sales team.